Watching someone you care about struggle to push a heavy vacuum across the floor can be painful to see. Cleaning shouldn't feel like a workout. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best lightweight vacuum cleaners for the elderly that make keeping a home clean easier, safer, and far less physically demanding. If you'd like to check out any of today's picks, you'll find all the links waiting for you in the description below. Now let's move to number 5. We have the Vacmaster Vacuum Cleaner. Vacuuming shouldn't feel like a workout, especially for seniors who may find traditional upright vacuums bulky and difficult to maneuver. The Vacmaster is designed with simplicity in mind, featuring a lightweight cordless stick design that reduces physical strain while still delivering reliable, everyday cleaning performance. Its self-standing frame eliminates the hassle of finding a place to lean the vacuum during breaks, while the 10.8-volt lithium-ion battery provides smooth cordless operation without cords becoming potential trip hazards. The foldable handle makes storage easy, responsive swivel steering helps navigate around furniture effortlessly. And the detachable handheld unit adds versatility for cleaning stairs, furniture, vehicles, and countertops. With up to 24 minutes of runtime and built-in LED floor lighting that reveals hidden debris, the Vacmaster offers an excellent balance of convenience, comfort, and practicality for apartments, smaller homes, and routine cleaning tasks. Coming up next at number 4 is the Eureka RapidClean Pro Vacuum Cleaner. Many seniors find that lifting and maneuvering a heavy vacuum becomes more challenging than the cleaning itself, which is why this lightweight 5.3-pound cordless model stands out. Its ergonomic design and highly maneuverable 180-degree swivel steering make it easy to move around furniture, table legs, and other obstacles without excessive twisting or bending. Integrated LED headlights help expose dust hidden beneath beds, couches, and cabinets, allowing for more effective cleaning while reducing physical effort. The 5-stage filtration system helps capture airborne particles and allergens, creating a cleaner indoor environment for those sensitive to dust. While maximum power settings can reduce its advertised 40-minute runtime, the combination of lightweight handling, maneuverability, and user-friendly design makes the RapidClean Pro an excellent choice for maintaining comfort and independence. Let's keep the momentum going. At number 3, we have the Electrolux Ergorapido Vacuum Cleaner. Maintaining independence often comes down to having tools that make everyday tasks easier, and this lightweight 2-in-1 cordless vacuum does exactly that by combining floor cleaning and handheld functionality in one convenient package. Users can move seamlessly from floors to furniture, countertops, and other surfaces without constantly switching tools. Its Easy Steer navigation system provides smooth 180-degree maneuverability that glides naturally around obstacles, while cordless operation eliminates the frustration of tangled cords and frequent outlet changes. Pet owners will appreciate its ability to handle everyday pet hair and dander, and the lithium battery delivers up to 48 minutes of runtime, allowing multiple rooms to be cleaned without interruption. Although the dustbin is somewhat compact and may require more frequent emptying during larger cleaning sessions, the convenience, versatility, and ease of use make it a standout option. And before we move into our top 2 picks, don't forget to check the links below for more details and current pricing. Breaking into the top 2, the TechRise Vacuum Cleaner takes the number 2 position. For many seniors, the biggest challenge isn't cleaning itself, but managing equipment that feels heavy or difficult to use. And the TechRise addresses those concerns exceptionally well. Its self-standing design adds tremendous convenience by allowing users to pause and step away without needing to lean the vacuum against a wall. Powered by a brushless motor, it delivers strong suction for handling dust, crumbs, and pet hair while remaining lightweight and easy to control. Green LED headlights help illuminate hidden debris in darker areas, while the 6-stage filtration system works to keep airborne particles contained during cleaning. Maintenance is equally simple thanks to its one-touch dustbin emptying system, which allows debris disposal with minimal effort. With an impressive runtime of up to 60 minutes, this vacuum offers one of the best combinations of convenience, performance, and independence-focused design on today's list. And finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list, we have the Shark HV322 Vacuum Cleaner. While many cordless vacuums sacrifice power for convenience, the Shark HV322 delivers strong and consistent corded performance without concerns about battery life or fading suction. Despite its powerful motor, the vacuum remains slim, lightweight, and easy to maneuver across carpets, hardwood floors, stairs, and furniture. Its ability to convert into a handheld vacuum adds valuable versatility for cleaning upholstery, tight spaces, staircases, and hard-to-reach corners throughout the home. Bright LED nozzle lights help reveal hidden dirt and debris, while the large 0.68 quart dustbin allows for longer cleaning sessions with fewer interruptions. Although managing a power cord requires slightly more attention than cordless alternatives, the benefit is uninterrupted cleaning power and dependable performance. For seniors seeking strong suction, lightweight handling, and long-term reliability, the Shark HV322 delivers one of the most complete cleaning experiences available. After comparing all 5 vacuums, one model stood out for delivering the strongest combination of convenience, independence, runtime, and ease of use. The winner is the TechRise Vacuum Cleaner. Every vacuum on today's list brings something valuable to the table. The Vacmaster offers approachable simplicity. The Eureka RapidClean Pro excels in maneuverability. The Electrolux Ergorapido shines with its versatile 2-in-1 design. And the Shark HV322 provides reliable, uninterrupted cleaning power, but the TechRise consistently delivers the complete package. Its lightweight self-standing design reduces physical strain. The impressive runtime minimizes interruptions. The tangle-free brush roll and one-touch dust disposal simplify maintenance, and its thoughtful features help seniors maintain independence without sacrificing cleaning performance. Most importantly, it transforms cleaning from a difficult chore into something manageable again. And that wraps up our countdown of the top 5 best lightweight vacuum cleaners for the elderly. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out the links in the description below for more information on all of today's picks. Thanks for watching. And remember, sometimes the best vacuum isn't the most powerful one. It's the one that makes everyday life easier.